braised rice is a memory of my grandmother from my childhood. Every time I eat it, I feel so warm and happy.
When I was a child, my grandmother's long bean braised rice included dried shrimp, and the aroma was incredible. Today, my version is vegetarian, with shiitake mushrooms and vegetarian anchovies, and the taste is just as impressive. Ingredients: rice, long beans, shiitake mushrooms, vegan anchovies. Wash and sliced mushroom, then set aside. Remove the ends of the long beans and dice them for later use. If you don't like vegetarian anchovies, you can omit them. Personally, I think air-fried vegetarian anchovies make the dish more flavorful and delicious. Once all the ingredients are prepared, simply pour everything into the rice cooker, add water, and start cooking. Of course, set the vegetarian anchovies aside for later use. For seasoning, just add salt, pepper, and mushroom powder. You can also adjust with oyster sauce according to personal preference. Add 1 or 1.5 teaspoons of salt. If it's not flavorful enough, you can add soy sauce after the rice is cooked. Personally, I think savory rice tastes better when the flavor is a bit stronger. Add a little sesame oil to enhance the aroma. You can also add sesame oil after the rice is cooked. Use 1 cup of water for 1 cup of rice, plus a little extra, as the ingredients will absorb moisture, so you can add a bit more water. In just a moment, the rice will be ready. If the rice isn't fully cooked, don't panic. Simply mix the rice, add 2 tablespoons of water, and press the cook button again to continue cooking. Personally, I think it's better to use less water, as that can be fixed. If you add too much water, the rice will become soggy and mushy, which doesn't taste good. For a more fragrant long bean rice, it's recommended to first stir-fry the shiitake mushrooms and rice with seasonings, then transfer everything to the rice cooker, add water, and start cooking. If you prefer rice with a darker color, you can drizzle some dark soy sauce, also known as laojiu, over the cooked rice and mix it well. Adding dark soy sauce only after the rice is cooked makes the grains look more attractive, giving them a glossy shine. Long bean rice originated from rural farming communities, where people cooked rice with seasonal long beans for convenience. It evolved into a home-style dish that makes good use of ingredients. The recipe has been passed down through generations, carrying the warmth of family memories. The moment you lift the lid of the long bean and mushroom clay pot rice, steam rises carrying the earthy aroma of shiitake mushrooms. Each soft glutinous grain is infused with the fresh sweetness of long beans, evoking the scent of sun-drenched fields. The crispy fried vegetarian anchovies add a delightful crunch, like familiar sounds from Grandma's kitchen. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.